Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. Guys, today's video I am showing you the same console table that I shown you before in my entryway, but there's this empty space right here. I want to do something about it. So I want to show you how I created this mercury glass globe to go on top of my candle stand. I already got a light source there already, and it's my DIY lamp that I put together and the box that I made for my stuff. These are the candle stands that I want to put there, but like I said, I already have a light source, so I'm not going to put candles in there. It'll be just for decor purposes. So what I need is my mirror looking glass spray. I need a fan, and the little bottle that I show you is mixed with vinegar, half water. I think I accidentally deleted the footage. And guys, all you do is spray the jar with the vinegar, the mixture, and then you spray the looking glass spray, and then you twirl it around. I use my fan so it could dry faster. So now I'm going to measure this frame. I just picked up the frame at the thrift store. It had no glass in it, and I think I got it for 10 cents. I know what I was going to do because, as you know, one man's trash is another man's treasure. So now I'm going to cut glass, clear glass, to put in the frame because I want to make a display with the frame, and I want to use black and white in my decor. So I'm going ahead and I measure. It's 12 by 14. I measure it out, and I am make sure that I measured twice because I could only cut once. So this is my measurement, and I'm measuring again and marking it properly so I could have precision. Guys, I am so thankful to you guys for watching my videos. Something that I noticed in my analytics that is mostly unsubscribed people that watch my video. So please check your notifications and see if you are subscribed to me. So we measure our glass. So the red, I'm sorry I didn't show you. That red thing that I have in my hand is actually the glass cutter, and I already scored it already. And what I'm doing is just lightly tapping. See? And the piece come loose. So with thicker glass, you have to knock a little harder and then wiggle. So I took off the other piece that was there because it didn't break off flush. So now I am going to make sure that my other measurement is there. I'm putting a little bit of kerosene down, and I'm going to score the piece again. And now I put it on a different surface because I'm realizing my table is a little bit off for that because the glass is very delicate. And as you see, I'm tapping away, and it will eventually come loose, and she will have what she needs for her frame. Yes, we doing good cuts today. And now I'm taking off the little jagged edge. I am using a mirror clipper to clip it away. So now let's see the moment of truth. Yes, we did that. You see that? We did that. So now I am going to go ahead and cut my paper to measure. I'm going to do it a little bit bigger than the frame itself because I want it to be snug tight. I could go behind it with a razor and take out the excess. So as you see, here is my measurement. I'm going to go ahead and cut the board for the back of the frame to hold the picture and the mirror together. I realized what I was doing was kind of crazy because that glass is really thin. So I took it out of the frame. I'm using spray away to clean it all up and make it shine. So now that I've cleaned the both sides, I will go ahead and put it back in the frame and get ready to show the beauty. Did she do that? Yeah, she did that. Oh, yes, she did. Okay, so glass is all cut in place. So now we're going to go ahead and put the board in the back. Did she cut right? Y'all, sometimes I caught myself bad cut, because sometimes I do make bad cuts. So now we're going to go ahead and do another display. This is going to go on another table in that area too. So I have this box. I got it from Ross over the pandemic, after pandemic, and I'm going to put a little bit of glass adhesive to my box. And the mirror is distressed. I distressed the mirror. I have a video on me distressing mirror. You could refer to that if you want to do it, or I could do another video for you. Just let me know. So I should have made sure that it was centered. So then I had to go in and kind of wiggle. So now it is in place, and I cut the glass kind of exact. So I'm not worrying to make it dry, because I know it's not going to move. This thing is like gum. It holds it really, really tight. So these pumpkins and this garland that I have, the garland is from Hobby Lobby. I think I have it like 2-3 years now. The pumpkins were a new addition from the Dollar Tree. These mini wreath is from Joann's. I think I got them for 90% off. And now I am going to cut the tags off my pumpkin. And this is the way she looks. Is she cute? Is she cute? Look how she's standing there. Yeah, she looks like she was just set in time. Like it could be for this century, the century before that, the century before that, and this one. Yes, everything came together lovely, guys. I thank God for my gifts and my talent every day, because actually I didn't think I had a gift nor a talent. And look at all that he gave to me. Because it came easy, I never saw it as a gift. So someone pointed it out to me, and I'm loving it. Look at the framework. I did 2 of them, cut both glass for the both of them. And this is what you seen a few days ago. I'm showing you the cohesiveness of it all. So guys, if you like, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. I appreciate everyone for watching. And don't forget to make sure your notification is on, because I have a lot of goodies for you guys, including upholstery and making pillows. So bye for now. Just keep watching the beauty. Bye-bye.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, everything's unfolding as it should. I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture. 'Cause everything's unfolding as it should. And I would be more grateful if I could. Everything's unfolding as it should, and I would be more grateful if I could. If the world is an image in my mind, then I can't complain about what I find. Maybe I wanna be taller, maybe I wanna be richer, but I guess when all is said and done, I'm pretty happy with this picture, 'cause everything's unfolding as it should.